how to do something perfect. You need a practice and lot of time. Watch these satisfying videos of these next level miracle workers who are a real example of how to do a job perfectly. Write as a comment what do you think. Enjoy! Focus, coordination and skillful hands are key for success. Look at this amazing construction worker. How long would it take him to build your street? What do you think? Watch this shop assistant who is specialist in the art of packaging groceries. You are going to be amazed. Painting without leaving stains on the ground? No problem for this worker. How many moves did it take to clean windows? Watch this ingenious, skillful window cleaner and try to figure it out. Watch this worker, how he is able to balance on these PVC rolls by mixing his skills and kinetic force together. Have you ever thinking how to prepare potatoes for your dishes faster? Check this skillful chef and learn. Watch these workers who have a brilliant technique to save time by spinning those barrels like tops. How to clean the pool quickly and precisely? Watch this skilled worker who has no competition in his field. Watch this idea of skillful worker how to turn your grass cutter and finish edges more cleanly. You can imagine how much experience and hard work is in the hands of this worker. You can see that he loves this job. This worker uses a foot-operated machine with which he is able to slice wood with minimal time and just a little effort. Actually, it looks really easy, but on the other hand, this job requires a lot of experience. Have you ever been afraid of heights? Take a look at the work of this experienced worker, which requires not only courage, but also a good amount of experience.